What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Pearl, and today I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on how to achieve this look. So normally I'm always getting stopped in the street. Lately I've been getting stopped on my couch. Nah, let me stop. But yeah, I'm always getting asked, is that a wig? Like, how do you achieve that look? What products do you use in your hair? So today I'm going to be styling my hair to help you achieve this look. And also I'm going to be sharing some of the products that I use to achieve this look to get the pixie cut slay. I was going for, like that 90s look, that knee long, that Holly Berry and boomerang look. So continue watching this video if you are interested in achieving this look and slaying your pixie. Also, feel free to hit that button down below to stay updated with my latest content. Also, feel free to like and share this video if you like what you see here.
What's up, guys? So last night I already washed and wrap set my hair with the olive oil wrap mousse setting. I'm also using, I use the Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioner, and I also use the Shea Butter Cantu hair mask. What that does is it locks in the moisture and it gives your hair like a shine that just makes the hair glow. So everything's nice and flat pretty much, as you can see. And I'm just pretty much going to go in with my Red Pro flat iron and my tail comb. And I'm going to get to curling my hair. I actually love this flat iron. I got it off of Amazon for about 20 bucks. And yeah, I'm just going to start curling my hair. So I'm starting from the front. The crown is already good the way that I want it to, as I parted my hair when I wrap set it, and now I'm just gonna go in and start curling it. So I'm taking small sections and I'm just running the flat iron over it one time. That's why I love the hair mask, the Cantu hair mask, because it seals and locks in the moisture, so you don't have to really run the flat iron over your hair too many times, and plus that prevents heat damage. So I'm working my way to the back. This process is really fast. It takes me roughly, I want to say, about 10 to 15 minutes a day when I do it this way. Look at the flick of the wrist. Ooh, ooh, you see that? All right, so now I'm going to start at the top towards the back, and I'm just going to keep doing the same thing all around. Yes. So now I'm at the other side of my hair, and I'm pretty much doing the same thing, curling it one time. Now I'm in the midsection. Oh, also a tip, when you get to the back, see, I cut my own hair and it's a little bit uneven, so sometimes I have to go over certain parts in the back more than once to make sure that everything is nice and tucked, because I hate when pieces are sticking up. Okay, I dropped my flat iron. Whoa. All right, so yeah, let's get into that. You see that? Ooh, girl. And they used to make fun of Ashanti for her sideburns. Now I'm just gonna part my hair down the middle because I'm going for a 90s look. I'm going for a different look today. So I'm just gonna take each section and I'm gonna start with the left side, but first I still got a few pieces in the back that I need to handle. Now I'm gonna start taking small sections at the top, and I'm just gonna curl that in the same method. Yes. Then I'm going to curl this piece right here. Boom. There we go. Look at that. Ooh, yes, I'm feeling myself. Now I'm just going to go in and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Now on this side of my hair, I'm going to start from the bottom to the top as opposed to the top to the bottom. And I'm just going to go in, curling in the same method. One time over the hair. Yes, there we go. Ooh, girl, look at you. Same thing. I'm going for a 90s look. To go nowhere because it's definitely giving quarantine and stay home. So now that that is handled, I'm going to go in and bring it around to the front and curl that piece. Ooh, look at that shine. Y'all got to get y'all some of that Cantu hair mask. That stuff works good. So I'm going to continue curling in the same way that I was. Oof, I hate when I'm doing my hair and I start sweating because my hair starts to frizz up. But it's not frizzing yet. So after I curl this piece, I'm pretty much done. You'll see the next process that I'm going to go through. So I'm going to just do a profile to look at the back, get into the side. And I missed some pieces in the back, so I'm just going to go over those pieces again. All right, so now I'm pretty much going to comb it out. Run my fingers through it actually, because you don't want to take the curls out too much. But for the look I'm going for, I like to curl it out just to give it a little bit more volume. And I'm going to just comb the hair all the way to the front. You'll see why I'm doing this in a moment. Bring it all to the front, all to the front, all to the front, giving that bowl look. But that's not the look that I'm going for today. So I'm just going to go back and part my hair down the middle. Make sure I get that part nice, and it doesn't have to be perfectly straight, but make sure it's even. And usually when I get to this process, I'm just straightening out this part a little bit more. But when I get to this process, I like to go back in with my flat iron because of the curls. It flips the hair a little bit. So I'm just pretty much combing it out, shaping it to my liking. I'm going back in because it's sticking up a little bit and I don't want the frizz there. That has a lot to do with the direction that I curled my hair in. Now I'm going to put some Argan Oil on my hair just to give it a little bit of shine, not too much. I'm going to just run that over the front, the back, the sides. And I missed the piece. Whoa, hate when that happens. So I'm just going back in to lay down the hair that I missed. And I'm pushing it up to give it some volume and some zhuzh. That's pretty much the final touches on the hair. I usually would go in with my Eco Style gel to lay my baby hairs or my sideburns, but for this look, I'm gonna leave my Ashanti sideburns be. Yes, it's giving me the along, it's giving me Halle Berry. I'm feeling myself. So here's the side, the back, and the other side. And that is pretty much it. I hope that you like this look, and yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the final look. Do give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button right near the description box down below if you like what you saw here and if you can look forward to more of my content. You know, I'm feeling very 90s and I'm always going for that 90s looks, and I'm always giving different pixie cut slaves. You know, who doesn't love the Nia Longs, the Halle Berrys, the Fantasias, the Tiana Taylors, and all the beautiful women in the world who rocks their short hair and slays their pixie cuts. Like, I mean, who doesn't love that? I love that. Stay tuned for more of my content. Thank you for watching again, and I'm out.